That is a brief video for how to write a good thesis for bachelor, master's and PhD. So I'll try to explain within few minutes. First of all, structure your ideas. First make a concept map, means first make what you want to do, how to write, and what are your objectives. Second one is don't worry for order of the ideas, just write the ideas. Don't make it in order. You will make it on the further step. So just write your ideas point by point. Write as you go with degree. That is the best. Don't write at the end of the degree when your degree is completed. You are going to write. You will not have enough time to make a good thesis. So it's best that write it with the degree as you go with the degree. It will help to refine the content if you are writing throughout the degree or in 6 months or 1 year. With the passage of time, whenever you read your previous draft, you will make it refine and the content will be better. Another point is writing dot points. Just make dot points of your ideas, what you want to do. That is the free writing. Whatever is coming in your mind, write it simply. So free writing will be better for it. Next point will be examiner expectation. For example, if you are going to work for a PhD degree, examiner is demanding for 1 or 2 research papers, so it should be included in the thesis. For example, for the bachelor level, examiner wants to see the results, simulations or something like that. So you should keep in your mind the examiner expectation. So in examiner, what examiners usually expect, first of all, the thesis should be logical. No contradiction of ideas between the, for example, if you are writing some idea in the first paragraph or in first chapter, but it is colliding with the ideas in the second chapter, so it will be not logical. Next is solid understanding of theory. For the bachelor degree, usually the examiner needs to check if you have understanding of theory or not. Next is it should be original and creative. Thesis should not be copy pasted or the language used not matching with your level. So also work engage with literature. Literature is also included in the thesis in literature review chapter. Next is for PhD thesis, original contribution is needed. Examiner is checking the original contribution. And for M.Phil thesis, originality in applying knowledge. If you are going to apply the knowledge, there should be some originality. Also, other point is provide evidence for personal work. It is very, very important that if your thesis should reflect that this work is your personal work. It is very important from bachelor to PhD degree. So if you have done with some personal experience, you should attach it with it, or it should be some proof that that is your personal work, or the argument you have written in your thesis, it should be matched with the proofs, or the argument is matching with the proof or your personal experience. Other point is support your observation with proof. That is very, very important. If you are writing some observation, you are writing some point, or your topic is, for example, XYZ is the topic of your thesis, then it means that that is your observation. And with these observations, proof should be attached. If there is no proof, for example, for master or PhD degrees, there should be some research paper, or for bachelor degree simulation or hardware results, they are very, very important. If they are missing, then external examiner or supervisor will reject the thesis. So keep in mind that personal work should reflect throughout your thesis. So next part we will discuss other points. Thank you.